Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to Excel data analysis, easy method. Start by loading your spreadsheet and fixing glaring issues like blanks and misformatted dates so your results are reliable. Next, outline the key questions you want answers to and choose simple tools to explore patterns. Work iteratively, test assumptions, and keep notes on each step so you can reproduce findings and explain them clearly to others. Performing good cleaning pays off by preventing misleading conclusions and saving time later. Check formats, trim extra spaces, and convert text numbers into numeric types so calculations work as expected. Address duplicates and decide whether to impute, remove, or flag missing entries depending on why data is missing. Keep a change log so you can trace how raw inputs became analysis-ready, which builds trust in your process and your results. Use straightforward summaries and visuals to uncover insights without overcomplicating the process. Compute means, medians, and counts to spot skewed distributions and outliers, then pivot by category to compare segments quickly. Build clear charts like bar, line, or box plots to tell a simple story, and rely on iterative filtering to explore promising leads. Keep interpretations modest and test surprising results before sharing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.